Welcome back once again. In this part we're going to learn how can we work with text tool. So in the previous part we ended up learning how can we work with pen tool, and then in this part we're going to learn how can we work with text. Alright, so for working with text I'm gonna add a new frame. So click on this frame icon and select this iPhone 11 Pro, then select the vTools, and if I need to write any text, then I can simply click on the text, and in here I can write the text. Here I can say hello Adobe. So we can simply add it. So hello Adobe. I'm just adding some random text. Once you will write your text, you can customize it according to your design. So you can, in here you can increase the size of your font. Like if you need a bigger size, then add 50. And if you want to change the text decoration, then you will have a couple of options just over here. You can see the regular one, then the italic, light, thin italic. Okay, you can choose your you can choose your font design, where you can say the font style. Even you can make it bold. All right, and by taking the help of these tools, you can make it center or in left side, right side. Okay, you can see it is changing because we don't have any background color, that's why it is not showing this way. All right, now right after that you will be able to see this sort of options. So if you want to have uppercase only, then you can simply click on it, then your text will be uppercase. See, it's only uppercase. If you want to have lowercase, just click on lowercase, then you will be able to see all the character has been changed to lowercase. And if you need uppercase and lowercase, then you just need to select here. So it calls title case. It means that the first word of the first character, the first letter of each and every word will be capital, then the rest of the word will be the lowercase. And if you want to have superscript, then you can do it this way. Like if you want to have one text, then another one on top of, on bottom, then you can do it. And if you need to have underline, then you can simply use this one. See, now it has underline. So these are the basic thing that you can use when you will do this, when you will add text on your project. And if you want to change the color, then you can simply change the color. See, the color is changing. So to understand it more clearly, I'm gonna add a rectangle. So click on rectangle. So draw a rectangle here and add a border radius. So select this one and then add 20 and add a background color here. So we can say this color. Okay, now in this rectangle I'm gonna add a text. So if I want to add a text, we need to click on this text keyword, and then in here I can write the text. So click on it and then write your item. We can say button 1. Button 1. So it is giving us the previous size that we have selected, because we need to change the text size. In here it is 50, so I need to change it to 25. Okay, and then we can take help of this one. Then you can see the text style has been changed, because first one is going to be uppercase and rest of the it, so it basically called title case. And then I'm gonna change the color of the text to white, and here you go. See, now see, it looks pretty good. And if you want to add a style of this one, then you can simply say this design, or we can use this design. So this is the basic thing that you can use for your project. And in here we have a couple of options. So once you will select the text, in here we can say this one, this option is here. You can use this option also for your text. It will give you different sort of design issues. different sort of text design or font style, we can say. See, different sort of design is appearing when we are selecting on it. And this one and this one. So I hope you have learned how to work with text tools, and in the next part we will learn how can we create component and how can we add color component and item component. So I'm going to stop this video right here. We'll continue it from the next lecture.